Okay, so we're back. And what I want to talk to you about is the reason why I put silicone on the top, and I will also show you that when we lift this edge, is because when you have a piece of foam core and you're adhering to it, that's a flat surface, and we want to keep this, round and shaped. So with the silicone, it sticks there and it grabs it so it can keep that adherence. So if you put white glue on the top of this, you got to lay it flat for it to stick. So that's why we use the silicone on top and use glue on the bottom. So let me show you this piece that I prepared for raising the edge. Again, talking about putting the silicone on the part on top and then white glue on the bottom, on the back edge. So since this is the part here that I'm going to want to keep shaped, see how that's a little shape down there? I'm going to bring the foam core down to the bottom and press it here, and that would allow that silicone to grab it, but it's not going to be laying flat. So it's still going to be stuck. You see the little gap here? And that's fine because it's connected up here where the silicone touched. All right, so while that dries, I'm going to talk to you about the tree, and I'm also going to talk to you about a cutting guide. Now, in a lot of places where you buy prints, and some of our prints actually come with cutting guides, and for all the classes, we always write a cutting guide so that it gives you a tool. It's not exactly how you would have to do it. You can make some suggestions, and you'll find that sometimes after we write a cutting guide, we might even cut it a little different, like you will see right here. So here's the tree. We're taking it in these pieces here. So whenever I went to actually cut my print, I got close, but a little bit different, because, and then here's the next piece. And I was trying to save this flower for something, so I kind of cut around it at first. And then here's the other piece, right here. And then here is my fifth piece, and see how that comes to the bottom. And then you have to also understand that all this is going to be built up back on top. And then here is my fifth piece, which is number 6. So your very first piece is going to be this right here on print 1. Print 2 is going to be getting these pieces out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down the first 2 pieces, and then I'll come back and then I'll show you how to continue putting the rest of your cut shaped pieces. You're going to cut them, color the edges, and shape them. I'll be back.